Hi guys, welcome back to Drawing Land for Kids, and today we're going to be drawing a cactus and a plant for Cinco de Mayo. So let's go ahead and get started. The first thing you want to do is draw a line coming straight down. And it's a little bit tilted. This is going to be the pot. Do the same thing on the other side. And draw a curved line on the bottom. Followed by drawing another curved line at the top. And we're just going to draw a long upside down U shape for our cactus. Let's go ahead and draw one arm for our cactus. Go a little bit lower and draw another arm using a curved line. And I like to add a little baby one right here. And a medium-sized one right here. Let's go ahead and draw a cute little flower. Draw a U shape, followed by a zigzag line for the flower. And do the same thing on this side. Draw a U shape and a zigzag line. In the center, we're going to draw a circle, followed by the petals. Let's go ahead and draw the prickly thorns. We're just going to add short little lines all over our cactus. Let's draw some here. They can go in any direction as you want. Some can go over the line, some can stay inside. Just all over, as many as you want. I think I'll add a couple more, but not too much. There. Just like that. Okay, now when you're ready, we're going to go ahead and draw a line right here connecting to the cactus, and we're going to draw one more here. That way our pot looks 3D. And I'm also going to add a double line right here. Now, I like to decorate my pot, so we're just going to go inside and make one section here and one section here. And I like to use line designs to decorate my pot. So we're going to draw a zigzag line there. And I'm just going in and drawing the letter V. And up top, whenever you're ready, you can pause the video if you need more time. We're just going to add a wavy line. Let's go ahead and add some dots in there, followed by an upside down letter U. And it's already starting to look like a cool design. So let's continue that by drawing two straight lines here and two straight lines here. And when you're ready, let's draw diagonal lines in those spaces. And I'm just going to draw straight lines all inside them. whichever direction you want to go. There's no right or wrong here. I'm just adding straight lines. Some are going one way, some are going the other way. And there it is. There is our cute cactus in a pot for Cinco de Mayo, and let's come back and see what the colored version looks like. Hi guys. Okay, here is the final version all colored in, and as you can see, I used different shades of green to make the cactus look more realistic. I went from light to medium to dark, and you guys can do that as well with markers or any other coloring tools that you have at home. I hope you guys enjoyed, and see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.